Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM in the Nokia 110 4G feature phone. So the first thing we need to do is actually flip over the Nokia 110 4G feature phone, and then you want to turn it backwards to yourself like this, and you want the camera facing you here like this, and you want to look at the bottom here and you'll see this little mark here. This is to get your fingernail in, and you want to prise the case backwards, and it will be a little bit stiff and you may hear some cracks. This is perfectly normal and it'll pop off. Now you have on the back here you have a micro SD slot, 2 SIM slots. This is slot number 1. This is where you want to enter your SIM card. So let's put it like this, and you want the SIM card to look like that. And the SIM card to look like that and go in that way, like that. So there you go. You want to slot it under like that, just underneath. You can quite see. So it's underneath, so it's gone underneath. And slide it in. There you go. You've entered the SIM. And now you've got these 3 little bars here to match up with these 3 little bars. So you need to go like that. Press the battery down. Now you want the camera. So you can see there, camera. You want that down. And you want to press all the way around, making sure it's all sealed, fully sealed all the way around. There you go. So now you want to press this little power button here, and this will turn on the Nokia 110 4G. Long hold, press it, and there you go. You will hear the Nokia sound in any moment. There it is. So that, as you can see, the SIM is in slot 1. We haven't added a second SIM, so there's no SIM in slot 2. So that's how to insert the SIM in a Nokia 110 4G feature phone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.